He was like this close to going off. That's crazy.
That was insane.
Dude, does that happen?
It happens.
Oh my gosh. I thought he was going all the way off.